Hey, good to be with you guys. Hey, I'm Aaron Perlman. Over the next 48 hours, we're going to see a big change. Temperatures drop, going down into the low 70s. We have today 10 degrees above normal. Then we get below normal, and there's a chance for rainfall tomorrow. 60% chance for showers. However, attack of the rain shadow. This is very important. What's the rain shadow? This is when you have a system sitting off to the northwest, which we do. It's going to drop, bringing a strong southwesterly wind. As the front comes across the state, we'll see winds come up over the mountain areas. Well, those winds in return push down across the valley floor. It has rain hit the mountains, Tehachapi's, into the Kern River Valley, but on the flip side, in the South Valley floor, the southerly winds becomes dry and windy. So you get the rain over in the mountains, and all we see, which is, creates a shadow of no rain in the valley floor. It's just going to be warm and windy. Think about that when you see this. Here comes the front. There's the low. It's going to be windy first. And as that southerly wind comes in play, it looks like we're going to get some rainfall for the valley floor, but it's quick. And look at that. You can see it. There's the shadow. We get Sierra snowfall. It's going to be great. That's good, but it's gone. You're like, no more rain chances. Well, the good news is on Saturday, we have another sweeping low that's going to come in out of the southwest. And now this one's a little bit different. It's going to wrap around moisture showing up on Saturday and briefly exit out after that. That will carry in a better chance of rainfall. So minimal rainfall tomorrow for the valley floor. Go deeper into the weekend by Saturday, and that's a different story. Look at that. Wow. Okay, we got some incredible amounts of rainfall. So let's just recap. Tomorrow, light rainfall, trace to 15 hundredths of an inch. It'll be windy. Saturday rain, best bet 10th to 35 hundredths of an inch. That's all of Kern County. And the valley floor basically is going to go back to the 70s. Mountains will be in the 60s. There is that rain Tuesday and again on Saturday. So springtime temperatures prevail, but the rainfall chances minimal for Tuesday, best for Saturday. But who has the best rain for everybody? The Kern River Valley. You guys will be the winners of the rain for this week.